Hey Queen, we're doing something different today. I think you're gonna like it. Stick around for a little bit.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the...
Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, girl, welcome back. So listen, today we are on assignment. Well, we understanding the assignment, girl. We are on assignment. So listen, I'm doing a hair video. Y'all know I don't do well with doing hair since the roll. I went natural again for the third time. This time, let's hope that it sticks. But in the meantime, between time, I have some hair and I want to get my hair done. So I'm over here at my girl salon, Renedra Gatlin, and we are at the Rare Touch Hair Palettes. Hello, Rare. That means if you're not rare, you can't come over here. But anyway, so today's video is going to be brought to you in collaboration with Recool Hair. Recool Hair sent us an HD lace body wave 22-inch 200 density hair unit. So I'm going to show you the lace, and then we are going to look at the install together. So here is the hair. Here is the inside. We have combs on the inside. So we have two combs in the front, one in the middle, adjustable strap in the back. And we are going to be bleaching the knots and plucking the hairline. So I will show you guys that once we get started. But the hair is beautiful. I have very minimal shedding. Haven't gotten a chance to work with it, but y'all know I will keep it 100 and let you know exactly how the hair works. So let's get into the install.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a...
Oh, this is good. This turned out very good. I bleached the knots. It's combing out very nice with the paddle brush. So that is a good sign. Look how it's going straight through. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. We got the knots bleached.
Tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back
Hello, beautiful queens. Thank you so much for tuning in and making it all the way to the end of this video. Listen, first of all, let me just say thank you to Renedra and the Rare Touch Hair Palace for allowing me to come and tear up her shop and use it as a studio, and for her doing this beautiful, 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 beautiful look. I really appreciate it. I will make sure I will leave all of her information down below in the description box. And also, thank you so much, Recool Hair. Your website is absolutely beautiful, as well as very user-friendly. I found it very easy for me to navigate. I feel like the prices are reasonable, especially for HD lace units. This hair is absolutely beautiful, very minimum shedding, very easy to manipulate. The only issue that I had with this hair was because of my head, girl. You know your girl is smart, meaning that I have a huge head. Girl, listen, I got a big head. I got a big ego. It's too big. It won't fit. So listen. Get your focus. Because I have a larger head in diameter and circumference, y'all tell me below which one is it. But because my head is on the larger side, this cap was difficult to fit. So my stylist had to do a lot of customizing and customization. That's why you can kind of see the hide and seek peek, because when she put the cap on, it was close, you know, to my hairline. But when we went to adjust the cap of the wig, it didn't quite make it all the way. So I can't really put my hair up. I have to wear it all the way down. But so make sure that you are measuring the circumference or diameter of your head, and make sure that you're paying attention to the measurements of the cap size. Now, if I would have messaged Recool and told them that I needed a larger unit, they would have sent it to me with no problem. So that's not on the hair company, that's on me. So hopefully in the future, I won't have that same problem, but I'm pretty sure that might be something that I run into because I have a really large head. But anyway, you guys, this hair, again, it's gorgeous. I mean, look at the hair. Look at the body. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I will leave all of our details down below in the description box. And again, thank you so much, Recool Hair, for collaborating and sponsoring this video. If you have a hair that you would like for me to review, please message me. You guys know my email. You know all my information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Put your bell on so that way you can be notified each and every time I give the fresh content. And let me know what you think, girl. Girl, are they ready for me? Are they ready? Girl, are they ready for me? Period. Hoop. Okay, anyway. Thank you so much, Recool Hair. Thank you, Queendom. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. And listen, hey, listen, pretty fat girl. Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I want to know. Let me know down below in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. But we out. Ow! 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 Okay, I'm out. Hello. I'm out. See y'all later.